Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We are on the way down to Ocean City, Maryland for the muscle car cruise. We're driving the Tree SS and enjoying the sun, at least for now. I guess there's supposed to be some showers here and there, but you know, luckily we haven't hit any of that yet. We're just leaving the shop right now, a little bit later than expected, and well, we're excited to see a lot of the muscle. At least I am. Kristen, are you excited to see the muscle?
Not really.
Okay.
More so the sun and the beach.
Okay, and that's why we got a convertible.
And the good dinners.
If anybody's going down there, we'll see you there. Depending when I post this. Could be, I don't know, when do you think I'm going to post it? Maybe tomorrow.
Probably Tuesday.
Hopefully not Tuesday. And we are here. We are entering Ocean City, Maryland. Woo! Say woo, Kristen.
Woo!
Okay, good job. Oh, there it is. The Monster House! So guys, we have landed at the house that we're staying at. We got a bunch of CSP guys in the house. It's doing well. It's nice. We got a nice little view, a little balcony view of the street, right around like 100th Street or so. And it's we're here at the Tree SS, so nothing special. But I'm going to show you some of the action that's going on. Things have died down probably for like dinner time. People are probably getting ready, but behind me, you'll notice that this is Coastal Ave. And on said street, you will see muscle car after muscle car. Tons of muscle cars. We got Corvettes and Durango SRTs, apparently. That thing sounded like it had a supercharger on it. We have the police. More muscle. More muscle. 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 Old muscle. Lawn equipment. Old muscle. Rice. Rice. A crowd killer. Muscle. That's delivering pizza. Muscle. A truck that probably sounds like it's muscle, but it's not very muscly. We got more muscle. Camaro. Crash. Camaro. Yeah. Yeah. Class. Jogger. So when it gets late here, sometimes the fun cars come out to play, and behind me are some fun cars. There's a GTR, and I think right behind the GTR is a Lambo. That was loud. So we're at Wally World. Hey, where are you going?
To find the organic sheet sets.
You're not going to find it here.
No.
But we're at Wally World and we have to get a sheet set because I think Kristen threw away my Star Wars sheets.
No, I did not.
I think you did. And this place that we're staying at, like, you have to bring your own sheets. So,
because Andrew can't book a hotel room like a normal person.
it's a mansion. We're staying in a mansion. So, here we go. We got our awesome sheets. Da, 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 da. So we're on day 2 of the muscle car cruise. It's getting a little louder here. Is it loud?
Yeah.
There's Mustangs everywhere. 29 miles per hour. This thing. It's awesome.
I'm so glad you bought it for your, me.
I did buy it for you.
Yeah.
So you would love it too. You know what we need to do?
What?
We need to get you in something a little bit more fitting for the sun.
I agree. I need some color.
Okay, I
I
got
need my vitamin D.
your vitamin D. I give you your vitamin D. Okay, so now that I got you wearing something more appropriate,
Time for a phone call.
time for a phone call. So I'd like to take this time to try not to drive off the road and ask Kristen quite a few questions, holy alliteration, about how she likes the car, stuff like that. So let's just start right there. How do you like the Camaro?
It's nice. I like it.
Anything else?
That's about it. I love it. It's so great. It's the greatest car I've ever had after my Atlas and my Jetta.
Not making this easy for me.
Do I ever?
No, not at all.
I like it. I mean, what else can I say? I like it. I like the convertible. It's good to get some sun.
Yeah. Yeah, that is definitely a benefit. What do you want to tell people?
I'd love to tell people a lot, but I don't think it's anything you'd want to put in your video because it has nothing to do with cars.
Well, how about, why don't you tell people what you like about me? Why don't you just make something up? When we first met, did you feel the same way?
As I do now?
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, you were annoying then. Maybe not quite as annoying.
Okay, so have you ever been pulled over?
Yes.
Yeah? For what?
Well, one time I turned into somewhere that said no outlet, and a cop already had someone else pulled over, and he pointed at me and was like, there. And I was like, I don't know, I thought no outlet meant like you can't get through, but you could.
You said no through traffic, not no outlet.
Oh yeah, maybe it did.
So a lot of people want to know this. What do you do? Besides me.
What do I do for fun, for work, for...
Open-ended. You answer how you feel fit. What do you do?
I do a lot of laundry and cleaning up. No, I do.
No, you don't.
Well, I do a lot of laundry.
Not my laundry.
The kids' laundry. I do a lot of cooking. I do a lot of grocery shopping. I do a lot of cooking. I do a lot of couponing. I do a lot of deal seeking. For work, I do sales for a pharmaceutical and equipment company. I need to put my feet in the ocean.
You can't do that.
Why not?
I don't want to get sand in this car.
No, it's my car though. I like that green car.
Yeah, that's what we call a crowd killer. It's a Mustang.
I just call it a green car.
So when are you going to race this thing? Everybody wants to know.
Like at the drag strip?
Yeah, at the drag strip. Maybe even a little roll race. Everybody
Well, I
wants
don't like
to
to
know.
get tickets, so I don't want to get a ticket. Street racing. Let's take a trip to Mexico, I guess.
Let's do it.
So what do you think we have to do next to this car?
Probably supercharger. What do you think? Camshaft, supercharger.
Sure. Do it all.
that's gonna go in the video.
I wouldn't expect anything less. Car puns are exhausting. It's funny, get it? Exhaust.
What's your favorite game to play?
Never have I ever. Elevator going up.
So if you can't beat them, join them. I'm not wearing any pants.
No, you're wearing shorts.
Why you gotta ruin it?
I think I saved it.
I'm trying to get rid of the farmer's tan. I'm gonna get the seatbelt tan instead.
Sure that I have in my car because I want to get one too.
Wawa is the place to be.
He didn't. Wait. Yeah, the moment he gets to about 15 miles per hour, he's gonna hear the.
You guys hate it.
This is not what I was expecting in here. Wawa has a lot going on over here.
Nice car.
Thanks. It's the wife's. Apparently people are driving like assholes now. I don't see any cops. So they have to be hiding. And for late night festivities, we visit Wally World. Yes, it is like midnight. And we are packed with muscle cars here. This is like the edge of it, and a whole slew out here. Look at that, muscle cars everywhere at Walmart. So if anybody was wondering where we're staying, we made it real easy to find us. That Corvette sounds slow! Does that thing do burnouts? I think it does a burnout. I think you should then. It does not do burnouts. How's it going? Just a little burnout. There's nobody behind you. Those tires have too much meat on them. You gotta get rid of it. Power to weight. Tell them to do a burnout. Yeah! Got Stance coming in. Go get him, officer. Traffic's not really going anywhere. This is what happens Saturday with the muscle car cruise. Tends to back up. I hear sirens, so something bad probably has happened. I bet you can't spin the tires! Look at that thing. Do a burnout! I don't know what you just said, but it didn't sound like you were doing a burnout. Yeah. Wagon. Show me your tits! Check my messages! Do a solar system burnout! You can do it! You can't do it! Do a burnout!
Great, bro.
Wow.
Where's the car?
The stuff you do when you're young.
We are out on Coastal Avenue walking down the street, and it's clogged up quite a bit because there's too much muscle out here, and that's pretty awesome. Now, there's a good problem to have for a muscle car cruise. It's too much muscle and a bus. There's a lot of things that are cheating in life.
Yeah, seriously.
And that one completely takes a cake.
It's the worst one I've ever
Holy shit.
seen. Seen pickup trucks, seen SUVs.
What the fuck? That is an undercover police car. That damn van right there. And the award for the gayest car here goes to... What the fuck? Grandma wants you to do a burnout! You suck! Okay, guys, that's all Ocean City has to offer. A lot of fun, Wawa, Walmart, lots of amazing cars. Just a fantastic time if you're into this kind of stuff, and if you're watching the channel, you probably are. Unless you're like Kristen, then you might not be.
And you're not at all.
But that's all we got. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do have a muscle car, go down to the muscle car cruise. There's another one coming up in fall, I believe in October. It's called the Endless Summer Muscle Car Cruise, and it's actually a little bit more tame than spring. So you can actually drive around. So if you do have a muscle car, head down there. It's worth checking out at least once. Okay, take us home, Kristen.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Have a good one.
Adios.